Imagine a city so advanced it had metallurgy, trade networks, and monumental architecture 5,000 years ago. A city that connected the ancient world from Mesopotamia to China before the Silk Road even had a name. And then it just disappeared. No war, no volcano, no plague recorded, just silence. The year is roughly 3500 BCE. You're standing in the Zarafshan River Valley, what is today Tajikistan. The air smells of copper being smelted. You hear the clinking of lapis lazuli beads being traded. Merchants from the Persian plateau argue prices in the open square. This is Sarazm, one of the oldest known urban settlements in all of Central Asia. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, a city of maybe tens of thousands of people. A place so cosmopolitan it almost shouldn't exist at this point in human history, and almost nobody knows it exists. Here's what will blow your mind. Fact 1. Sarazm wasn't a village or a camp, it was a proto-city with distinct residential zones, ceremonial structures, and specialized craft workshops. At a time when most of humanity was still nomadic, these people were building neighborhoods. Fact 2. In 2001, archaeologists uncovered the tomb of a woman, now called the Princess of Sarazm. She was buried with over 100 luxury objects: gold diadems, turquoise beads, lapis lazuli pendants, carnelian earrings sourced from thousands of kilometers away. This wasn't just a burial, this was a statement of power. A woman at the center of a Bronze Age trading empire, controlling wealth that crossed 3 modern-day countries. Fact 3. The artifacts found at Sarazm don't just connect to one civilization, they connect to all of them. Pottery styles from the Indus Valley, metal techniques echoing Mesopotamia, steppe cultural motifs from the Eurasian nomads. Sarazm wasn't on a trade route. Sarazm was the trade route. It was the node, the hub, where the ancient world's most powerful cultures physically met and exchanged. So why did it vanish around 2200 BCE? Here's the haunting part. We don't fully know. Some archaeologists point to climate shift. The Zarafshan River slowly changed course, starving the city of the water that made it powerful. Others suggest a massive migration wave from the Eurasian steppes swept through, fragmenting every settled civilization in the region. But here's the real twist. Sarazm didn't just disappear, it was buried under centuries of silt and silence, waiting for someone to ask the right question. And if one trading hub this sophisticated could vanish this completely, how many more are still out there, under the ground, waiting? So here's what I want you to think about. If Sarazm was this connected, this advanced, this powerful, what actually killed it? Climate? Invasion? Collapse of trade? Or something we haven't even considered yet? Drop your theory in the comments. I genuinely read them all. And if you want more buried civilizations, forgotten empires, and the hidden history of Central Asia, subscribe, because the next one is even older.